What's up guys, this is Shan Heather and in this video we are going to do a quick unboxing of Tecno Camon 20 Premier 5G smartphone. So we will have a look on the device inside, its design, features, build quality, all of its hardware specs and the usual unboxing stuff. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So first of all, let's have a look on the retail box. Here you can see the huge branding of Camon and 20 series. The device is 20 Premier 5G. It comes with an AMOLED display, 512GB storage. You got 8GB RAM and 8GB RAM is virtually available using the RAM expansion feature. On the back of the device, we got all of the information regarding the specs of the device. So it comes with MediaTek Dimensity 8050 processor. We got 32 megapixel front-facing camera, a 6.6-inch 120Hz AMOLED display with in-display fingerprint sensor, 108 megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera. The Camon 20 Premier 5G comes with sensor shift OIS technology and steady night portrait videos. We got 50 megapixel primary camera, 2 megapixel bokeh lens, 5000 mAh battery and 45 watt charging. And the device is TUV running line certified for low blue light emission. And the device we got inside comes in dark Vulcan color option. So let's open the box and let's see what we got inside. So here is our Tecno Camon 20 Premier 5G, and once again you can have a look on highlighted specs of the device here on this sticker. So the device comes with 2 years warranty. We got some safety information booklet, quick information guide. Here is the case for the back panel, and this is quite nice and unique because we won't see this kind of beautiful looking back panel case with other smartphones. As you can see, it comes with translucent matte finished back panel. We got this silicon TPU case that is matching with the color of the device, so this is really nice, so good. Here we got the 45 watt charger, we got the SIM card tray ejector pin. Once again, this is quite impressive that Tecno is providing the earphones with the Camon 20 Premier 5G. You won't see other brands doing this these days. And here we got a USB Type-C cable. So these are the stuff we got inside the retail box of Tecno Camon 20 Premier 5G. The smartphone, 45 watt charger, USB Type-C cable, a USB Type-C earphone, some quick start guide, user manuals, and a silicon TPU case for the back panel. So here is our Tecno Camon 20 Premier 5G smartphone in dark Vulcan color. So let's switch on the device and we will go through the setup process first, and after that we will have a look on our Tecno Camon 20 Premier 5G smartphone. And here we go. So the setup process is done and we are good to go with our Tecno Camon 20 Premier 5G smartphone. So first of all, let's talk about the design and build quality. So on the front side, we got a 6.67-inch display with 90% screen to body ratio. So the front side is basically just a screen. The bezels on the sides are very thin. The same goes with the chin. It's pretty negligible, and at the top we got equally thin bezel. There is a punch hole on the top of the display where you will find 32 megapixel front facing camera. Right above it there is a thin slit for the earpiece. At the top we got the secondary microphone, the speaker grill. So Camon 20 Premier 5G comes with stereo speaker setup, as at the bottom we got another speaker grill, USB Type-C port, primary microphone and the nano SIM card slots. Camon 20 Premier 5G does not come with a memory card slot, but it comes with massive 512GB storage by default, so you won't need the expandable storage option anyway. On the left side there is nothing provided, and on the right side we got the power key and volume up and down buttons, and the fingerprint sensor is provided on the display itself. The side frame of Camon 20 Premier is very flat and the glossy finish looks quite eye-catching. But the most beautiful part of the design of Camon 20 Premier 5G is the back panel. It comes with a very unique looking camera module. It comes with a design that Tecno call as Camon puzzle design. It is inspired by the deconstructionist theme and it is really eye-catching, unique and beautiful. The back panel is made of faux leather that once again Tecno calls as magic leather because it does not feel like the faux leather we have seen on other smartphones The quality is very premium. The feel you get while touching it is also quite nice. It is less cushiony and pushy as you will find on many other smartphones with fake leather back panel. The good part is that it does not attract any kind of fingerprint smudges, etc. And it is so beautiful that I won't blame you if you do not want to use this provided case with your Tecno Camon 20 Premier 5G smartphone. Because of the glossy and flat frame and the leather back panel, the grip on the device while holding it is very solid and it feels good in hand as well. The only thing I'm missing here is that it does not come with any kind of official IP certification, and Tecno also does not provide the information that what kind of screen protection we got on our Tecno Camon 20 Premier 5G. It just comes with a thin screen protector pre-applied on it. Other than that, everything about the design and build quality of Tecno Camon 20 Premier 5G is very impressive as it looks beautiful, gorgeous and comes with premium material. Now talking about the display, Camon 20 Premier 5G comes with a 6.67-inch 120Hz AMOLED display with 1080 x 2400 pixels resolution with 90% screen to body ratio. So the PPI you will get is 395, and because of that the display is very nice. The colors are very well saturated, the sharpness is quite high with 800:1 contrast ratio, and the viewing angles are great as well. At 120Hz refresh rate the display is very smooth, and it comes with TUV Rhineline low blue light certification as well, and it also comes with always on display with various customization options that you can use to customize your device the way you want. The display color tone is a bit on the cooler side, and if you are talking about the brightness, so the brightness is really good and it is quite high, so you will be able to use your device in bright sunny outdoors without facing any issue. And it also comes with high brightness mode that increases the brightness of the device even further. Now talking about the software side, it comes with Android 13 along with iOS 13. So on the front side we got lots of Google applications in one folder, then we got the gallery browser, we got calendar, a folder with some recommendation that which app we should use. It comes with file manager, calculator, etc. We got the Hi theme, and then we got a set of iOS family application. WPS is surprisingly part of that as well. We got the weather, smart scanner, my health, some other apps. In tools you will find some nice and useful applications like the sound recorder, calculator, Hi Translate, Wow FM is provided as well. And then we got the Compass along with Visha Player. Then we got some third-party applications like TikTok, Facebook are pre-installed. If you want you can uninstall them easily. So this is a good thing that Tecno is not forcing to have all of this bloatware on your device. And then we got this voice powered AI personal assistant by Tecno that's called Ella Voice Assistant. So in terms of user interface and options, we got plenty of stuff going here that you can use to improve your productivity on your device. If you go to settings here, you can see we got plenty of options here again that Tecno provides on Camon 20 Premier 5G. So we will talk about all of these special features, for example the game mode, in our future videos like when we are doing the gaming review, etc. But as you can see that iOS 13 on Tecno Camon 20 Premier 5G is quite feature rich for sure. Now talking about the camera, we got a 32 megapixel front facing camera capable of recording 1080p resolution videos, and then on the back side we got this unique camera module that comes with 50 megapixel primary camera with laser autofocus, sensor shift, optical image stabilization, face detection autofocus, and then we got 108 megapixel ultra wide angle lens with face detection autofocus and a 2 megapixel depth sensor for portrait shots and bokeh effect. We also got this ring flashlight that comes with lots of LEDs, so the flash on Tecno Camon Premier 25G is going to be pretty solid for sure. We will see how good it's going to be in our detailed review of the device. If you launch the camera application, this is the user interface you will see. So by default it is at the AI cam, and it is asking me to switch to the super night mode based on the ambient light available. So here is the color enhancement feature that you can turn on or off. You got the option to select the 50 megapixel mode, aspect ratio, settings. If you go to video, here you can see that you can record HDR video and you can record 4K resolution videos up to 30 fps. The wide angle mode is available for video recording as well. Then we got the slow motion video recording that you can do at from 120 fps up to 960 fps. After that we got the portrait mode, that is the combination of beautification and the bokeh effect. We got the super night mode. If you go to more, here you can see that Camon 20 Premier comes with time-lapse, dual video, sky shop, that's an interesting name, documents, air shot, pro, super macro and panorama. So lots of options and settings we got here on our Tecno Camon 20 Premier 5G smartphone when it comes to camera. So we will see how good all of these are going to be in our detailed review of the device. Right now I just wanted to give you a quick glance about the camera features and options we got, and it is looking quite impressive for sure. So overall, Camon 20 Premier 5G is a pretty solid smartphone in its price segment, as it comes with a 120Hz AMOLED display with in-display fingerprint sensor with huge screen to body ratio. The back panel is very beautiful, unique, and it comes with premium looking leather back panel. We got the stereo speaker setup and an advanced camera technology, especially if you are talking about the pricing. The only thing I'm missing here is a proper IP certification and Gorilla Glass protection on the display. Other than these, everything about Tecno Camon 20 Premier 5G is way above its price segment in every aspect. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.